This is الدرس الحادي والعشرون of Kitab Adawat al-Rabt. This is lesson 21 of the connectors. And we're looking at drill 10, Tamrin 10. And in this drill, you're going to be given a sentence, and you're supposed to change that sentence to use some of the new connectors that you're learning in this part of the lesson. And in this part of the lesson, we're learning about connectors such as وَإِن, وَلَوْ, حَتَّى وَإِن, وَإِلَّا, فَ, عَلَى أَن, and إِلَّا إِذَا, among others. So here we have an example, سَاعِدُونِي حَتَّى أُسَاعِدُكُمْ, help me so that I can help you. And this is changed to سَاعِدُونِ وَإِلَّا فَلَنْ أُسَاعِدَكُمْ, help me, and if not, then I will not help you. So here, again, you're trying to preserve the meaning of the positive statement by creating a conditional that here can include a negative if need be. So in the second example, من الممكن أن تأخذ اليوم عطلة بشرط أن تعود للعمل غدا. This can be changed to two possible scenarios. من الممكن أن تأخذ اليوم عطلة على أن تعود للعمل غدا. So the original sentence is, it is possible to take a vacation today on the condition that you return to work tomorrow. So rather than here, بشرطي, we're using على أن, which means on condition that. So it is possible that you take a vacation today on condition that you return to work tomorrow. We could also use على ألا. من الممكن أن تأخذ اليوم عطلة على ألا تتغيب عن العمل غدا. It's possible that you could take a vacation today on the condition that you are not absent from work tomorrow. So we're going to look here, the third example here is أنتم لن تساعدوني ومع ذلك فسوف أساعدكم. You will not help me, but despite that, I will help you. With this we could change to سوف أساعدكم وإن لم تساعدوني. I will help you even if you do not help me. سوف أساعدكم حتى إذا لم تساعدوني. I will help you even if, again, حتى إذا لم تساعدوني, even if you do not help me. So one thing you need here is to understand the Arabic, and the second is to understand the meaning here of the connector that is provided to you. In number one, we have هم مستعدون لدفع الثمن ولكن لن أبيعها لهم. They are ready to pay the price, but I will not sell it to them. So here we say, well, how is walakin functioning here? They are ready to pay the price, however, I will not, right? So here, walakin has, we could replace this with, for example, وَإِلَّا فَلَنْ وَإِلَّا فَلَنْ أَبِيعَهَا لَهُمْ. Number two, سوف أسحب اقتراحي بشرط أن تسحب اقتراحك أيضا. I will withdraw my suggestion on condition that you withdraw your suggestion also. Again, here we have بشرط أن, on the condition that. ثلاثة, سوف أزورك مع أن الامتحانات قريبة جدا. I will visit you despite the fact that the exams are very near. So here, despite the fact that, again, has a meaning such as even if. أربعة, أنت لم تشترك في هذا المشروع ومع ذلك فسأشترك أنا فيه. You didn't participate in this project, but despite that, I will participate myself in it. خمسة, لن أشترك في هذا المشروع لأنك لم تشترك فيه. I will not participate in this project because you didn't participate in it. Number 6, اضطر الوزير إلى السفر فجأة ولذلك لم يحضر الاجتماع الهام. The minister was forced to travel suddenly, and for that reason, he didn't attend the important meeting. 7 لن أستطيع زيارة الأهرامات هذه المرة ولكني سأزورها في المرة القادمة. I'm not able to visit the pyramids this time. However, I will visit them on the second time. 8 سيحاول مساعدتها مع أنها ترفض ذلك. He will try to help her despite the fact that she refuses that. 9 يقول دائما رأيه بصراحة بالرغم من وجود رئيسه. He says his opinion frankly, despite the presence of his manager or his supervisor. سأعطيك مفتاح السيارة لتقودها بنفسك. I will give you the key to the key of the car. I will give you the key of the car in order for you to drive it by yourself. أخذ الدواء 11 أخذ الدواء بانتظام يجعل شفاءها أمرا مؤكدا. So taking medicine regularly makes her recovery something that is something that can be expected. 12 عدم مضايقته لي ستجعلني أستذكر دروسي. So the absence of his or him not constraining me will make me will give me or will make me memorize my lessons, or will allow me to memorize my lessons. So now that you have an idea about the meaning, you should be able to then, using negatives and some of these connectors that mean even if, even though, if not, otherwise, on condition that, unless, etc., you should be able to rearrange the sentences in order to change the connector. مع السلامة.